Our speaker for today, let me introduce now, experience option 4. So our speaker for today is Isa. In this session, Isa will share her project journey, the lessons she learned, and how completing a real Six Sigma project helped her build credibility, earn trust, and create opportunities beyond certification. Isa is an industrial engineer with a master's degree in industrial engineering, major in analytics systems engineering. She's also a certified product development innovator from the School of Design Sprint, the sister company of Six Sigma PH. And most importantly, for this session, she is a certified service industry Six Sigma PH black belt. She is currently the Director of Technology and Solutions at Table Group Incorporated. Let's all give a round of applause to Isa Di Sanco.